welcome to another video. This is John. Today I'm demonstrating one of the lesser known features in Photoshop Elements, and this is found under the Enhance menu, and it's called Adjust Facial Features. And it's been available now in quite a few versions of Elements, but this last section called Face Tilt, if I expand it, you can see it gives us the ability to change the angle, the left-right feel and the up-down feel to achieve a recomposition or something more intimate. So on this particular photo, I'm going to push the angle slider all the way to the right, and you can see how it moves the face. And left-right again, and that gets it even closer. And up-down, moving that one to the right, that brings almost the eyes in direct line, and as though they're looking at each other. I can move the focus onto the little girl, and I'm going to just move the up-down one, this time to the left, and that pushes up the eyes of the little girl, and it looks much more intimate. And we have this before-after button. We can click before and after just to see the changes, and if we're happy with those, we can save the photo. So I'm going to click OK and close this one down, and then look at another example. This next photo is of a grandmother and granddaughter, and again I'm going to move the grandmother's face by changing the angle. It kind of puts it on one side but upwards, and I'm going to do the same with the left-right. Kind of moves it closer to the girl, and up and down. I'm going to actually move this one to the left because I want it looking more up towards the granddaughter. And let's just switch the focus to the girl now, and we can do something in the opposite direction, moving towards the grandmother, left, right, up, down. And I think that's a much more intimate composition. That's the before, and that's the after. And you can see they're looking much more connected than they were previously. So that's the second example to show you. On this next photo, I'm just going to move the angle and the left-right composition. I'm going to leave the up-down set to the default. Again, let's change the face, and I'm going to again move the angle to the right. Just tilt her head, and that's all I'm going to do. I think that looks quite nice now. They look much more connected than they were previously. Let's look at the before and after. That's the before, and that's the after. So it's a slight, subtle change, and that's the beauty of these controls. You can push the sliders all the way to the left or the right without actually overdoing it. Now, you may have noticed with all these examples that we're only just changing the angle of facial features. We're not actually changing any part of the body. Now, you could do that if you wanted to using the warp tool, and that's found under the image menu, transform and warp. And we get this overlay, and we can start to drag these anchor points. We get this Bezier handle, which can then be adjusted separately. You can pull it out or in and kind of move it around as you want. I would just say use this tool with care, because you really are distorting pixels, but this does give you the ability to make more adjustments to body shape and features independently of the Enhance menu. So I hope you like this little tip. That's all for today. As usual, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.